welcome to Disney's Boardwalk Inn. We are here in, this room actually sleeps five. It's a water view room. Here we have 2 queen beds with a nightstand in between, a desk, as well as over here is one of the fold down beds. So see these little straps here? You just yank on these and you've got basically a twin size bed for another person. But when you don't need it, pop it back up and you can just sit on the couch. The desk over here has one of these nice features, which is underneath is a rolling table. And so you can move it around and you can put that table in front of the couch if you want, as a place to work or have a snack or something. Just inside the entryway is your Keurig coffee maker, your supplies, as well as a mini fridge down here. The closet is a decent size and also has the in-room safe. Across from the closet is the bathroom. So the bathroom, it's nice. It has 2 sinks and tons of storage underneath, and it has an actual door that closes it off, the sink area from the shower and the toilet area. But one thing that I don't like about this room is back here. You'll notice there's no curtain and there's no door blocking off the sink area from the rest of the room, so it makes it difficult for somebody to get ready while somebody else is sleeping. All right, let's head out to the balcony. This is a water view room, so we actually are looking out over the water. Straight across that is Yacht Club, and over there is Beach Club, and then this is the boardwalk down below. The balcony is small though. This one only has a chair for one and 1 side table. So normally there's 2 chairs out here, but there's only seating for 1. As far as storage, in addition to the closet, there are a handful of drawers here, as well as like 2 cabinet sections. So it's a decent amount of storage. Look, a hidden Mickey, and I love when they have these little things here. You can just hang up your backpack so you can grab it as you're walking out the door in the morning. Thanks for taking a tour of our Disney Boardwalk Inn water view room. I hope you enjoyed taking a peek inside this room and hope it helps you decide which is the right room for your Disney World vacation. Thanks for following along at Smart Mouse Travel, and if you aren't a follower, please hit subscribe so you'll be notified when we have our next room tour video.